Lily, look over here.
Over
Lily,
here.
Lily,
Over
Lily.
here.
What's right there?
That's yours. Look at your ducky. She likes that.
What is that? What is that?
Potato rabbit. Potato. She likes it. Duck.
Yeah, duck.
And she got duck. Good.
Is that yours? What's in there? Candy. Oh, wow. You want to eat it, huh? You want Mommy to open it, don't you? You want Seth to open it?
I'm not gonna open it.
To Seth?
I'm not getting it trouble. And I even know where he bought those. Winco.
Wow.
Winco. Wow.
That's not stuff we got. That's from the Easter Bunny.
I know.
So then how did we buy them if the Easter Bunny got them?
I know. I was thinking he bought them at there. The Easter Bunny bought them.
Bought what?
Those candy things.
They sell those at every single store you go to. Smart Alex. Lily, are you going to open your present? Open your present. Seth, show her.
Oh, come on. Let's open it. Come here.
Lily, open it. There. Get it, oh Lily.
Open it.
What is in there? Let's see, she got it. What's in there, Lily? See how she can do it. Pull it.
I try to help a little bit.
It's okay. Can you get it? Keep trying.
That's a big piece.
Oh, you gotta get all the paper off or it won't open, honey. Get the rest of the paper off.
Look, get it off.
You're funny. Get all that paper off of there. Oh, almost got it all. Good job! You did it. It's upside down. Oh, you know that. You fixed it. Look, it's a present from Grandma and Grandpa. Wow. A bunny Easter book. Is that Bunny? Oh, look, look. What's that? Is that a kitty? Yeah. Look, Lily, bird.
Let's see, birdie. Birdie.
Bird, Lily.
Bird.
Wow. Is that nice, Lily? Is that a ball? She knows what it is. She wants you to get it out for her. No way, lady. You're not eating candy before breakfast.
Oh, there's still stuff in.
Seth, did you open your present and look through your basket yet?
I hope that. Wow.
And Seth got. Oh, now you say wow for Seth's basket, huh?
No, mine.
It's fine, Seth. Why are you trying to ruin the holiday? Come back out in the middle of the floor. What's that? Did Seth leave a little chick? Lillian. Are you excited?
I got 200.
Seth, are you going to open your present?
Oh, where is it?
On the table. What's that?
What's it say?
Oh, look at now. She thinks she's going to open it. Lillian. Lillian.
No, mine.
It's okay. You got your own book. Maybe we should let Seth open his first so that he wouldn't think it was yours. Oh, say thanks, Grandma, for the confetti all over the floor. Don't worry about it, Seth. Just get your book open. We'll just try to clean it up after.
What's this? Coloring book?
Lily, where's your book, Lily? Lily, go get your book.
And stickers.
What's the other? Is that a book?
Yeah.
Another Easter book?
She doesn't know.
Tell Grandma thank you.
Thank you.